Are you overweight and trying to lose weight but don't want to go on a crash diet? If so, then the Keto Omad Diet is for you. It promotes rapid weight loss and improves metabolic health by entering your body in a different way than other diets do. The Keto Omad weight loss plan is one of the very best options available in today's modern age, with the 10 best Keto Omad weight loss results plans that work. 10 best Keto Omad weight loss results plans that work. The ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that has been hailed as the most effective way to reach your weight loss goals. If you want to lose weight fast, then the ketogenic diet will surely do that for you. But before going for the ketogenic diet, you should take a few minutes to know about it in detail and explore its benefits. And what better way than having some of the best Keto Omad weight loss results plans that work available today? Before knowing more about this incredible diet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to never miss our new diet plan. 1. The Keto Omad Weight Loss Plan, the ultimate guide to lose weight in 10 weeks. The Keto Omad Weight Loss Plan is the ultimate guide that will show you how to lose weight quickly, safely, and naturally. It will help you lose weight and look better in just 10 weeks. It is one of the most effective diets out there to permanently shed some pounds from your body. It gets rid of all the extra fat from your body and makes it easy for you to get fit again. As reported by Top 10 Diets for 2018, about 25% of people trying a diet are able to keep the weight off for more than 2 years. This Keto Omad weight loss plan is designed to help you lose weight in just a few weeks or months without having to starve or torture yourself in a gym. In fact, the program does not require you to do any exercise. It will keep the fat off using its advancements such as the ketogenic diet, as well as training your metabolism to burn more fats. 2. The ebook, How I Lost 40 Pounds and Gained 40 Pounds Back, Keto Omad. For women, losing weight can be particularly challenging, especially when you are trying for the first time. This is the reason why the ebook, How I Lost 40 Pounds and Gained 40 Pounds Back, Keto Omad is for you. It will help you to lose weight by shedding off the fat from your belly and hips so that you can finally move ahead with your life. It will help you in getting rid of the extra fat from your body without having to perform any exercise. 3. Keto Omad Weight Loss Plans, Most Recommended Diet for a Flat Stomach. Does it hurt you that much to have a flat stomach? If yes, then this is what you need. This book is all about losing weight quickly. The Keto Omad weight loss plans will show you how to achieve a flat stomach in just 14 days without doing any exercises or starving yourself. 4. Keto Omad Diet, Advanced How to Lose Belly Fat Fast and Safely. The Keto Omad Diet is the best book to get you out of any weight loss plateau and start losing weight again. It has been designed specifically for those who want to lose fat quickly and safely in a short amount of time. You will get the help you need for losing on ketosis diet so that you can look like your best self in as little as 14 days. 5. The Keto Omad Diet, an evidence-based approach to quick weight loss. If you have always wondered how to lose weight quickly, then you should check out this book. It is one of the best that has ever been written on how to lose weight quickly and successfully. It is also backed by outstanding evidence about the benefits, and it is written by a top-rated keto coach who has been studying and practicing fat-burning diets for more than a decade now. 6. Keto Omad Diet, the Ultimate Guide for Weight Loss. The Keto Omad Diet is one of the best books out there on how to lose weight quickly and safely. It is the ultimate guide so that you can get a flat stomach quickly and easily. It will show you how to reduce your appetite so that you can lose weight fast and easily. Keto Omad Diet, the Ultimate Guide for Weight Loss is not just a diet book, it is also a lifestyle. The Keto Omad Diet will help you to be able to keep the weight off for good. 7. Keto Omad Diet, Guide for Advanced Weight Loss plus Optimal Hormone Levels. This is one of the best books on how to lose weight fast and safely. It will not only help you to lose weight, It will also help you to maintain that weight loss. Keto Omad Diet, Guide for Advanced Weight Loss plus Optimal Hormone Levels, is not only a diet, but also a lifestyle book that will teach you the best ways of getting and staying fit. 8. Keto Omad Diet, Weight Loss in 7 Weeks, the perfect guide to losing belly fat fast and safely. If you have been trying to lose weight for so long but have failed and gained more weight than before, then this is what you need. This book is all about losing weight quickly and permanently. It has been designed specifically for those who want to lose weight quickly and easily, so that you can finally move ahead with your life. 9. Keto Omad Diet, the ultimate guide to burn fat, lose weight, and feel amazing. The Keto Omad Diet is what you need if you have been trying to lose weight for so long without any success. It will help you lose weight without any exercise and without starving yourself. It will help you achieve that flat stomach you have always wanted in just 14 days. It will teach you how to maintain your weight loss every day so that you can look like your best self. 10. Keto Omad Diet, the ultimate guide to eliminate belly fat and lose weight safely and faster than ever before. The Keto Omad Diet is one of the best books out there on how to lose weight quickly and safely. It will show you how to reduce your appetite so that you can lose weight fast and easily. What will the Keto Omad Diet do to your body? Being on a ketogenic diet is one of the best ways of burning fats. When you run out of food, your body starts to convert its own stored fat into energy. The Keto Omad Diet will be a lot easier than you think by knowing how much fat is stored in your body, what kind of foods you need to burn those fats, and how to balance your nutrients and calories. It will help you lose weight by having this ketosis diet, which is designed for effective fat burning and lasting weight loss. If you want to get rid of the extra fat from your body, then this is the only way that you can do it successfully. The amazing thing about the Keto Omad Diet is that it will also have a good impact on your health. It will help you to avoid many diseases because it enhances your metabolism and delays the aging of your cells. You will get rid of all the extra toxins in your body, and at the same time, you will become more energetic in just a few weeks. What are some benefits I can get from using Keto Omad Diet? Eating foods rich in fats such as butter, cheese, and yogurt has been proven to be one of the best ways of losing weight without any dietary restrictions or painful exercises. Not only that, it also helps you to boost your metabolism and burn some more fats. By eating a lot of calories from vegetables, fruits, fish, and meat, you will be able to keep your weight stable. And by doing so, it will take stress off the body and make it look younger, because more of the toxins from your body will be burned through energy. The Keto Omad Diet can also make you feel full when you eat less food. It has been proven that people who have a low-calorie diet are more satisfied with their food than those who have a large amount of food in their dish. To lose weight, you have to eat less and eat more often. This is the only way that you can burn fat. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned new things about the benefits of a Keto Omad Diet for weight loss. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't hesitate to watch our other videos on the Keto Omad Diet to have a more precise meal plan. Also, don't forget to let us know if this worked for you and how it affected your body. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism and lose more weight, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.